Yes, we can continue our portion. Welcome back. Next portion, division algorithm for polynomials. Took the statement. What is that statement there? If px and gx are two polynomials with gx is not equal to 0, that is gx is a non-zero polynomial, then if we divide the polynomial px with the polynomial gx, we can get another one polynomial qx and rx such that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Look, px is equal to, where px is the polynomial what we are dividing, that is known as the divide. We know in the smaller classes we are studied that one. In division, the number what is dividing is known as dividend. The number by which what we are dividing is known as divisor, and the answer what we are getting is known as quotient, and what is remaining there without dividing, we cannot be divided, that is known as the remainder. So that the same relation when we this on dividend is equal to, using that for terms we can get a relation, that is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. The same relation we can write for a polynomial, for polynomials, that is p of x is equal to, where px is the the dividing polynomial, gx is the divide by which we are dividing, that is the divisor polynomial, and qx is the quotient polynomial, and rx is the remainder polynomial. Just remember the main thing is this remainder polynomial can be 0. We can get the remainder as 0. Or this remainder, degree of this remainder polynomial will be either it can be 0, or the degree of the remainder polynomial will be always smaller than the degree of the divisor polynomial. So, and this relation is known as what is called division algorithm for polynomials. The same only, but when you do the problems it will become more clear. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder, and the main thing when we tell about the polynomials, this division algorithm, what is the main thing? Remember there, the remainder polynomial can be 0, or the degree of the remainder polynomial will be always less than the degree of the divisor polynomial. Okay, let us do the problems, then we will get more clear that one. Okay, let us do the exercise 2.3. Look, the first question. What is the first question given there? Divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and the remainder in each of the following. Look, the first one, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and gx is given as x square minus is equal to x square minus 2. Let us do the division as the normal case only. So write the dividend polynomial inside and divisor polynomial outside. What is the dividend one given? X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and the divisor is x square minus 2. And remember one thing, when you write this polynomial, it should be in order, that is first x cube, then x square, then x, then constant. If the given polynomial not in the order, we have to rearrange and write. That is the first thing to remember while performing the division of polynomial. The polynomial should be in the standard form. Standard form means the degree should be the highest degree, the term with the highest degree should be first. It should be in the decreasing order. The highest one write first, then the next one, then the next one, then the next one. Okay, let us perform the division. How will do the division? I think last year you studied. So in order to do the division, what we do is, which is the first term of the divisor, which is the first dividend? Yes, x cube. Always take the first term, the highest term, by the highest term of the divisor. Highest term is which one? x, or the first term x square, that to divide. Which are the terms we are taking? Yeah, first term, first, always the first term, first term. If we divide x cube by x square, we can cancel it. What will get? We will get x. That we write as the answer. Getting? How did you get that x? First term divided by the first term of the dividend, divisor divided by the first term of the divisor. That is x cube divided by x square. We get x. That only we write here. Clear? Now what we do with this x, what we are writing, with that one multiply here. X into x square, x cube, x into minus 2. How much you'll get? Minus 2x. So the next term what we here given is 3x square, but what we get there, x into minus 2 is minus 2x. That we write below this x term only, minus 2x. Here it is x square, but here we are getting 2x, so we write that like terms together. Getting? So how did you get this x? Dividing. Then with that answer multiply x into x square, x cube, x into minus 2, minus 2x. Now change the sign. Subtracting means change the sign. Minus change into plus, plus change into minus, minus change into plus. Always the sign changes there. First term x cube cancel. Minus 3, what is the next term there? Minus 3x square, bringing down, plus 5x plus 2x. After changing what is the sign here, it was minus 2x. After changing the sign, it will become plus 2x. So plus 5 plus 2, both are plus, so plus together. So what will get? Plus 7x minus 3. Getting? X square bringing downside, 5x plus 2x means 7x, minus 3 bringing downside. Clear? Now what we do? The same step. Now what is the first term here? Yes, first term is which one? Minus 3x square divided by the first term, x square. X square cancel. Balance what is remaining? Minus 3. Now the same way with this minus 3 multiply. Minus 3 into x square, minus 3x square. Minus into minus plus, 2 3s are 6. Change the sign. Minus change into plus, plus change into minus. The first term always cancel. 7x, only 1 is there. Minus 3 minus 6, both are minus, so what will do? Plus together, minus 9. Getting division? Okay. Now what is the degree here? Here the degree is how much? X. And here what is there? X square. This x is smaller than this x square, so we stop the division there. That is what we told. The remainder will be whenever you get the term with a smaller degree than the divisor, we stop the division. Here the x square term, here we are getting x. This x is this x is smaller than this x square, so we stop the division there. So you can try it. Clear? Can try the solution like this. Just to copy or just to try, look the solution from here. And what is the answer getting? The quotient is getting as x minus 3, and the remainder, of course here it is given 7x, typing mistake. This 7x minus 9 is the remainder. Write the answer there. X cube here, x cube cancel. Minus 3x square bringing downside. 5x plus 2x means 7x minus 3. Then these two cancel, remaining 7x minus 3 minus 9 minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Okay, can write, practice division properly. Okay, let us try the next question. What is the next question given there? Yes, p of x is given as x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and gx is given as x square plus 1 minus x. Look there, what is px given? X to the power 4 plus x to the power 4 3x square 4x 5. First, the highest one is 4. After 4, which one supposed to come? 3 supposed to come, but 3 is not there. Cube is not there. So when you write the division, I told that it's better you write in what is called standard form. Always write in the standard form in the order of their degree. First x to the power 4, then x cube is not there, so we just write 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 in order. Then look the divisor given there. What is the divisor given there? X square plus x 1 minus x. That is also not in order. First x square, we write it. After x square, what's supposed to come? X. That is given as the last term. So we bring this side. So minus x, x square minus x plus 1. Write in order. Both the divisor and the dividend should be in order. Clear? Now perform the same way, do it. What is the first term? What will do? The first term is how much? X4, x to the power 4. First term is how much here? X square. X to the power 4 and x square cancel. What will get? X square will get. That is the only one we are writing here. So what is getting? X. Now what will do with this x square? How did you get this x square? This x to the power 4 dividing by x square. 4 and 2 cancel, we get 2. That is, answer will get x square. That x square only we are writing as the quotient. Okay. Now with that x square, multiply x square into x square, x to the power 4. X square into minus x cube. X square into 1 plus 1 x square. What will do? Change the sign. Minus change into plus change into minus. First term cancel. Now look, 0 plus what is the number here? 1. 0 plus 1 means, after changing the sign, what is the sign? Plus. Yeah, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 x cube minus 3 minus 1 minus 4x square plus 4x plus 5. Clear? 0 plus 1 is 1x cube. Minus 3 minus 1 means minus 4. Then this plus 4 bringing downside. This 5 is writing downside. Only same one. Now the same process. What is the first term here? Yes, x cube. X cube divided by x square. First term divided by the first term. Cancel. What will get? Yes, we will get x. So what is answer getting? X we are getting there plus x. Then same way with x, multiply x into x square, x cube, x into minus x square, x into 1, 1x. If you want, you can just write 1x. If you get confused, changing the sign, minus change into plus change into minus. Cancel. Now look, minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1. 1 is minus and 1 is plus. So what will do? Subtract. Subtract means what will get? 3. Bigger number is 4. Minus 4. So answer will be minus 3. Minus 3x square. Look, the next one is 4 minus 1. Plus 4 minus 1 means plus 3. plus 5. Now same way, take the first term. What is the first term there? Yes, minus 3x square. What is the first term here? Here the first term is minus 3x square. Minus 3x square divided by x square. Cancel. Answer is getting minus 3. Same way multiply. Minus 3 into x square. Minus 3x square. Minus into minus plus. 3 into x 3x. Plus into minus minus 3. Change the sign. Plus minus plus. Cancel. 3x minus 3x cancel. 5 plus 3. Balance what is remaining? 8. So this will be the remainder and this one is the quotient there. Write the answer there. Quotient is equal to this one and remainder is equal to 8. Can do? Yes, try it. That question number 3, same way you can try it. Okay, you can try and send me. Now look the next question. What is the next question given there? Check whether the first, question number 2, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. That is, this second polynomial you divide with the first polynomial and check whether they are factor or simple. Only same way you perform the division. If the remainder is getting 0, we can tell it is a factor. How can we tell as a factor? If the remainder is getting 0, we can tell it is as a factor. Let us do that. You can perform that one division. Is it in order? Yes. 2t to the power 4, 3t cube, 2t square, 9t. It is in order. T square minus 3. Look the first term. What is the first term there? 2t to the power 4 divided by t square. First term by first term. What will come? 2t square. What is the answer getting? Yes. You can getting 2t square. Write that one. So 2t square into t square. 2t to the power 4. 2t square into 3. T square into 3. 6t square. So that one will write with the t square term. 6t square. Change the sign. Minus plus. Cancel. This one bring down. 3t to the power 3. Minus 2 plus 6. How much will come? Yes, plus 4. 4. Bigger number plus, so minus t minus 12. 9t minus 12. Now again 3t cube divided by t square. T square and this one cancel. Balance what is remaining? 3t 3t into t square, 3t cube, 3t into t, sorry, 3t into minus 3, minus 9t. Changing the sign. Yes, plus and minus cancel. Balance what is remaining? 4t square minus 12. What is the first term? Yes, 4t square divided by t square. T square, t square cancel. Getting 4. Now 4 into t square, 4t square, 4 into 2, 3, 12. Change the sign, minus, cancel, plus cancel. Getting? So what is the remainder getting there? Remainder is getting 0, and the quotient is getting, this is the quotient is 2t square plus 3t plus 4, and what is the remainder getting? Remainder is getting 0. So what we can write the answer? Remainder is 0, therefore t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. How we'll do? If the remainder is 0, just to perform the division, if the remainder is 0, it is a factor, otherwise it is not a factor. Only the remainder will look there, no need to look the quotient. If the remainder is 0, then it is a factor, otherwise it is not a factor. Two more questions are there, you can just try that one as a homework. Okay, let us do question number 3. Obtain all other zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are square root of 5 by 3 and minus root of 5 by 3. So it is a degree of polynomial of degree 4. It is a polynomial of degree 4. Degree is highest power is 4. So it will have 4 zeros. So how many zeros are given? 2 zeros are given. These are the 2 zeros. What we need? We have to find out the remaining 2 zeros. Clear? So a polynomial of degree 4 is given, and 2 of its zeros are given. We have to find out the remaining 2 zeros. How will find it? To find that one, take the given polynomial. P of x is equal to given polynomial, and what is the first zero? Similar question we done in the last exercise also. X is equal to root of 5 by 3 and x is equal to root of minus root of 5 by 3 are the zeros. If we take this plus root 5 by root 3 this side, it will become minus 5 by root 3, and if we take this minus this side, it will become plus 5 by root 3. Now it is in the form of, now look, x minus root 5 by 3, x plus root 5 by 3 is a factor of x plus x is a factor of p of x. X minus root 5 by 3, x plus root 5 by 3 is in the form of which formula? A plus b, a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means what is the formula? A square minus b square. So what we will get? X square minus square and root cancel, square and root cancel, will get 5 by 3. Getting? Now take LCM from here. Here what is the LCM? LCM will be 3. 3x square minus 5 by 3 is a factor. Taking 3 common outside, we can write as 1 by 3 into 3x square minus 5 is a factor. Now what we do is, with this 3x square, this 1 by 3 no need, 3x square minus 5, with this 3x square minus 5, we divide this given polynomial. Clear? What we are getting? 3x square minus 5 is a factor. One factor we are getting. With that factor, divide the given polynomial. Perform the division just like before one. You can do by yourself the division. Division you can do by yourself. Yes. What is the first term? Yes. 3x to the power 4 by 3x square. First term by first term. Square cancel 2 and 3 cancel. So balance what is getting? We are getting x square. Just otherwise will not get a space. So what is getting? First term by first term we are dividing, we'll get x square. X square into 3x square. Yes, 3x to the power 4. X square into 5. 5x square minus 5x square. Change the sign. Cancel. Change the sign. So 6x cube minus 2 plus 5 plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Now look, 6x cube, first term is 6x cube divided by 3x square. X square cancel x, 6 and 3 cancel 2. So what will get? 2x. What we are getting? Cancelling what will get? Yes, 2x. With this 2x multiply, yes, 6x cube minus 10x. Cancel. Balance what is remaining? 3x square is remaining, and here remaining minus 5. Same way, 3x square by 3x square cancel, means 1 will remain. 1 into 3x square minus cancel plus cancel. Remainder is getting 0. Getting? So divide with that 3x square minus 5. When you divide the given polynomial, what will get the answer? We are getting the answer as x square plus 2x plus 1. Then to get to the remaining, what we need? We have to find out the zeros. To find the zeros means what we do? We take this quotient. What is the quotient we are getting? Remainder we are getting 0 only. What is the quotient we are getting? X square plus 2x plus 1. That given polynomial or that quotient polynomial, we take split the middle term or factorize it. That is the next. So first to find the division, do the division, get the quotient, and that quotient we take for the splitting middle term. So this one was our answer, x square plus 2x plus 1. Split the middle term. First term, last term is 1. 1 means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. In the place of 2, you can give 1 plus 1. Opening the bracket, we get as x square plus x plus 1. From these two, taking common x, we will get x into x plus 1. Here means 1 is common, x plus 1 into x plus 1. That means x plus 1 equal to 0. First term is x plus 1 and the second one is x plus 1 equal to 0. So we get x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to plus 1 taking this side minus 1 plus 1 taking this side, splitting middle minus 1, splitting middle term. You practice it properly. Before also I told it is needed throughout the year. Not only this chapter, throughout the year we need it. So which are the remaining zeros we are getting? For the remaining zeros we take only the quotient. Okay, we take only the quotient and that quotient we factorize it. Splitting middle term will be more easy method. That one factorize it to get to the remaining zeros. Okay, so the zeros are what we are getting, minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, then okay, we can stop there. Let us do the next question, next video. Try this one as homework, exercise 2.3. the same one you complete the notes. Okay, exercise 2.3, question number B 1 from 1, question number 3. Okay, Roman number 3, and first question number 2. Two questions are remaining. That one also practice there. There means what you need? You divide it. If the remainder is getting 0, you write as the factor. Otherwise, if the remainder is not getting 0, it is not a factor. Okay, try that one and send me in the Google Classroom. Okay, stay home, stay safe, and thank you. And always telling you, don't go outside for unnecessarily. Concentrate in your study, make a timetable, make a routine for your study, and try to strictly follow that one. Okay, concentrate in your studies. Okay, thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Okay,